don't know how people do a 10-20 step skincare routine. I can barely do one. Hi everyone, I'm Meha, and in today's video I'm going to share my morning skincare routine. There are some products that I really like. I'm going to mention a very simple basic skincare routine. So if you want to know more, keep on watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and also turn on post notifications so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Now let's get started. I just want to start by saying and giving a big disclaimer that I am not a skincare expert. Whatever products that I use work for my skin type. It may or may not work for you. And if you have any issues, please visit a dermatologist like I did, and I got my stuff sorted, and now I'm just following a basic skincare routine. And if you are starting with any new product, please do a patch test. That means take a little bit of a product, apply it on your wrist or at the back of your neck, wherever you want, and wait for 24 hours. If you do not have any reaction to that product, then you can start using it. So let's begin now. My skin type is dry combination, which means that I have dry skin all over my face over here, and my T-zone is a little bit oily, and during the winters the entire of my face is extremely dry. So yeah, that's what it is. And I have a couple of moisturizers that I use. I'm just gonna go over whatever I use for my morning skincare, and let's get started. The first step that I do is wash my face without any soap. Just simply wash my face really well and then pat dry it. I don't rub my face or anything, just gently pat dry it, and then I use my moisturizer. For moisturizer, I have three moisturizers that I use. Mix and match depending on the weather and depending on what my skin needs. The first one is Emolene. I think you've seen this a lot on the internet. This was given to me by my doctor. I have extremely dry skin. Did I already say that? Yeah. So this one is pretty good. It is a very light formula. As you can see, it's a very light formula, and this I use mainly when it is really what do you say? It's in the summers usually, when my skin is okayish and kinda combination type. So that's when I use this. The second moisturizer that I have is from Simple. It's their Kind to Skin moisturizer, and this has a little bit of SPF. It has SPF 15 in it. This is not enough, so you'll have to layer up sunscreen a little bit more. But this is a really nice moisturizer, kind of thick. It says light moisturizer, but it's quite thick, to be honest. And this has a little bit of a white cast unless you blend it a little bit. You have to work with it a bit to see that there's no white cast anymore. You can see. Yeah, so this is pretty good. I use this a lot. And the third moisturizer I have is from Requil. It's their ceramide and hyaluronic acid moisturizer. It's for a dry to very dry skin, which is literally my face. So this has mango butter, ceramide and hyaluronic acid. This is what I use right now. It is a very heavy duty moisturizer. My skin is very dry right now, so this is what I use, and this is the consistency. It is quite thick. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna use today. I'm gonna take a little bit of that. It feels so good, and it's a very slight scent. So people who are very sensitive to fragrances can use this. It's a very, very less scent. Next step is very important. It's sunscreen. I use SPF 50, and this is the sunscreen that I use. It's called UVZero, and it is really good. It also does not give a white cast. It has a pump dispenser like this, and this is the consistency of it. Very runny. I'm just gonna put that on my face right now. The last and final step of my skincare routine is lip balm. I really love these two. This one is from Himalaya. It's their lip balm, normal lip balm. It's for 35 rupees and this is so underrated and very effective. Highly recommend this. I have 2 or 3 backups of this one. And the second one I have is the Norwegian Formulas lip moisturizer. It also has an SPF of 15, which is great. This is what I use in the day and this is what I use at night. I use these both interchangeably. Both of them are fantastic. Really helps dry, chapped, really flaky lips. So yeah, try this out maybe. That's it for my skincare video. It is really as simple as that. Moisturizer, sunscreen and lip balm. That's it. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Also let me know in the comments what you think about this. What do you guys use? Let me know. And also follow me on Instagram at @NoToverMakeup, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.